Okay, last thing that I want to make sure we go over is example 6 on page 62. And it is a very important concept that'll follow us all the way through calculus, and that is how to write the equation of a line if you're given some data. So the example number 6 says the cash flow per share for Ruby Tuesday Inc. was $2.51 in 2004 and $2.65 in 2005. Using only this information, write a linear equation that gives the cash flow per share in terms of the year. Then predict the cash flow for 2006. So if we're going to assume that this is a linear situation, then we are going to have to find the slope of the line and the y-intercept of the line. So rather than use the number 2004, we can allow t equal 4 to mean 2004. So t equals 5 would mean 2005. Then we can let these be our x values, and the corresponding prices will be our y values. 251 and 265. We'll let them be our y values. So to find slope, we always take change in y, or 2.65 minus 2.51, over change in x, 5 minus 4. And that would mean that the slope of the line connecting these 2 points is 0.14. Then you would be able to use your point slope formula to come up with the equation of the line. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. In this case, we can choose either point we want. I'll choose the 2.51. M is 0.14, and the corresponding x is 4. You can distribute and move the 2.51 over. If you want to put it in slope-intercept form, your answer will be 0.14x plus 1.95. So you can call this variable x if you want. You could call this variable t, whichever you want to. This will give you an equation to use so that when you want to estimate 2006, all you have to do is plug a 6 in, and you'll get an estimate of what the 2006 cash flow would be. It turns out to be about 2.79. So once again, these cash flow numbers may or may not be in a linear situation, but if they are, this would be an estimate. Okay. No.